Hey there, scholars. You're welcome to an eye-opening UTME preparatory lesson. In this video, we will learn the basic skills of answering questions on sentence completion. First of all, let's see all it takes to answer sentence completion questions in an examination by understanding the concept of sentence completion. Sentence completion is a language exercise or activity in which a person is presented with a partial sentence, phrase, or sentence fragment and is required to provide the missing words or information to create a grammatically correct and meaningful sentence. This activity enhances vocabulary, comprehension, and writing skills. Also, some key factors to consider in order to provide accurate and effective sentence completion are: 1. Context and clues. It is important to pay close attention to the context provided in the sentence. Look for any clue or information that can help you determine the appropriate words or phrases to complete it. Another one is the grammar and syntax. Ensure that your completion fits grammatically and syntactically with the rest of the sentence. The completed sentence should be structurally sound and make logical sense. Also, vocabulary and word choice is of great importance. Select words that are appropriate in terms of meaning and tone for the given context. Avoid using overly complex or unfamiliar words that might not be suitable. Fourthly, maintaining consistency is also very vital. Keep the tone, style, and tense consistent with the rest of the sentence. This helps ensure that the completion seamlessly integrates with the provided text. 5. You should also avoid redundancy or repetition. Be mindful of not repeating information already stated in the sentence. Your completion should add new and relevant information. Furthermore, inferential thinking is also very important. Sometimes you may need to infer information from the context to complete the sentence. Use your critical thinking skill to make educated guesses based on the provided clues. 7. Consider connotations also. Think about the connotations of the words you choose. Ensure they convey the intended meaning and do not carry unintended negative or positive associations. 8. Be concise and clear. Keep your completion straightforward and to the point. Avoid unnecessary elaboration or overly complex sentence structures. 9. Punctuation and capitalization should be taken note of. If the sentence requires punctuation, make sure to include them appropriately. Also ensure that the capitalization aligns with the sentence style. 10. Always review for errors. Before finalizing your completion, take a moment to review for any spelling or grammatical errors. This helps ensure a polished and accurate response. Finally, practice and familiarity will help. The more you practice sentence completion exercises, the better you become at discerning context and choosing appropriate completions. Familiarity with the language and common sentence structure is invaluable. Now, I'm sure you have substantial information that will enable you to answer questions on sentence completion, right? I will see you in the next video lesson where we will be answering sentence completion questions using past UTME questions. See you there.